Replacing centrifugal spray nozzle with high-pressure spray nozzle. Step 1. Remove the centrifugal spray nozzle. Unscrew the adapter wires of the centrifugal spray nozzle. Pull out its straight-through adapter. Disconnect both the straight-through adapter and the air hose. Remove the nozzle from the motor base. Repeat the same process on the other side. Step 2. Install the high-pressure spray nozzle. When installing the nozzle behind the drone body, place it inside the body and secure it. Slide it under the motor base. Secure it using two M3*10 self-tapping screws. Install the knob of the nozzle on the inner side of the drone body. Install the plate for the high-pressure spray nozzle at the front of the drone body. Attach it to the bottom of the motor. Install the nozzle, ensuring its straight-through adapter aligns with the interior of the drone body. Repeat the same process on the other side. Step 3. Install the air hose and adapter. After installing all nozzles, proceed to install the air hose and adapter. Use two three-way connectors, two long tubes and two short tubes. Place the short tubes on the two nozzles at the front of the drone body. Place the long tubes on the two nozzles at the rear arm of the drone. Attach the middle port of the three-way connector to the air hose head of the drone body. Connect the other two ports, one to the air hose of the front arm, one to the air hose of the rear arm. Secure the air hose of the rear arm to the hose clamp on the bottom plate of the drone. Repeat the installation process for the arm end. Align and attach it to one of the outlets of the three-way connector. Clip it onto the arm bracket. Attach the air hose. Repeat the same process on the other side. Once installed, seal off any excess wires from the centrifugal spray nozzle with tape and fix them to the drone body. The installation of the high-pressure spray nozzle is now complete.